Hello beautiful people, welcome to Juliet Kitchen. Yasmin here. Today I'm giving you one of our favorite recipe, as many of the recipes are that I share with you. This is a short rib recipe with farfalle pasta. It really is very simple. The only big thing that you need a little time on your side is to get the short ribs baked. Once that's done, the rest of it is super simple. So stick around long enough so you can see how I put together this super delicious and incredibly easy to make recipe. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, my left, your right. This is a very simple short rib recipe. It can be made a day in advance or early in the day. Just salt and black pepper. Season the steak well. And I'm adding chicken broth to keep the flavor light. Cover tightly, bake 2.5 to 3 hours until it comes out fork tender. Look at that. Break up the meat into bite-sized chunks and reserve the beef broth to use in the pasta. Spoon off the excess fat. I like to start with bringing a large pot of salted water to a boil. I'm heating the olive oil over medium heat and sauteing the onions, dash of salt and pepper, and optional red pepper flakes. So I want to cook my farfalle pasta to come out at the same time when my sauce is ready. So I'm making a sauce with the broth that came out of the beef, as well as some white wine. Okay, while my onion is being sauteed, I'm cooking my pasta. It takes about 10 minutes al dente. Our onion is just about cooked. I'm adding rosemary, garlic, and sauteing for 30 to 60 seconds. I'm slowly pouring in the white wine. Okay, so I have the white wine in the onions simmering. I want to cook that until it's evaporated to about half of the amount of wine before I add the beef broth. Okay, I'm adding in the reserved beef broth. Okay, so I have the beef broth simmering. I'm going to be adding back the beef at the same time when I'm adding the pasta. So the pasta will be ready just in time when the sauce is ready. Simmer broth 2 to 3 minutes. Pasta is just about ready. I like to add in a couple tablespoons of chopped parsley, and I'm adding back in the short ribs. Give it a quick stir and our pasta should be ready, so drain it and add it to the pan. I turn off the stove and then I add more parsley and then the freshly grated cheese. Mix the cheese until it's melted. Wow, beautiful people, if you can only smell an amazing baked short ribs that's then dumped in farfalle pasta with the beef broth and white wine. Incredible. Beautiful people, don't forget, thumbs up is very much appreciated. Guys, it's so heavenly. It's perfect to me. I hope you will take some time to make this absolutely delicious recipe and enjoy it as much as we do around here. Until next time, happy cooking!